Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're going to talk about how to build organic soil for raised beds. Here we've got a raised bed that's already intact. We've got the rocks in, we've got some average soil in here. What we want to do is we want to build a much more nutritious soil. Nothing here is inorganic. And basically what that means is that nothing is added to the soil that is artificial. So when you add amendments, you're going to add things like manure, leaf mulch, compost, pine needles, anything that that's come from a natural source, plant material, animal material, and also non-contaminated things. So we're avoiding pesticides, insecticides, anything like that. So what you're going to want to do is make it a regular regimen. You're going to have to do this every year. You don't just build organic soil overnight, and even once you have good organic soil, you're going to need to continually add it because your plants are going to take the nutrition out. So what we're going to do, here I have mushroom compost, which has just got tons of good stuff. Even that isn't always a sure thing because you have to know where your materials are coming from. Some composts and mulches come from landscape sites where people bring in their debris and it's turned into compost. But if you really want organic materials, you have to go further and you have to really read labels and you have to talk to your source. If you have an entire truckload of this delivered, you don't really know where it came from. Even though you know what the ingredients are, you don't know how the cows were treated that maybe they got the manure from. So if you want a truly organic garden, you have to do your research. Make sure that it's nutritious, that it's loose, that it's nutritious for a wide variety of plants, and do it every year. And that's how you're going to have organic garden soil for your raised beds.